Hi guys, welcome to my makeup tutorial. Alright, I can see. I'm going to use this. This is Body Shop Soothing Eye and Lip Contour Care.
Oh my god, are you serious?
Yeah, you have so much time. So apparently this is supposed to soothe your eyes and make it feel refreshing. And since it says lip contour, I guess I put it on my lips too. I don't know, that's what I've been doing. I'm not sure if that's the right way. Sometimes when I don't want to put a foundation, I just use this. This is that powder foundation, so it's not too heavy. And it comes with a pad like this. And then just do it quick. Yeah. Instead of sometimes with a liquid, it feels heavy. This feels lighter and it's much easier to put on when you feel lazy. Because I just woke up. And then we are going to use my favorite blush at the moment. This is by Sunny's Face. I got it from the Philippines. And this brand is probably my most favorite one. And before I'm trying to vlog. And you're distracting. Before, I used to not put blush on for whatever reason, because I know, and you should, because with blush you just look more alive and it makes the biggest difference. Before I would do everything else but that, but yeah, I realized it actually makes a really big difference. And then sometimes I put some here and I blend it. And this blush is really good because it's like a tint. At first I thought it was powder, but then it's actually a tint, so you can build up the color and then you can blend it, which is really nice. So I got my lipstick in shade Baked by Sunny's Face, and this has been my everyday casual lipstick. When I chose something nude, I thought it wasn't really gonna show, so I chose a little bit more darker colors, but they're actually very pigmented. Okay, and now my look is done. Literally powder, blush, and lipstick. That's all I need, and then I'm gonna do a better look later on because it is too early.